Hi everyone. This video provides you with 4 solutions to Windows error 0x800701B1. You can have a try if you are stuck in this error. Solution 1. Rescan disks in disk management. Right-click the Start icon and select Disk Management from the pop-up menu. Click Action from the top toolbar. Select Rescan disks from the drop-down menu. You need to wait until the process completes. Exit Disk Management. Solution 2. Update the disk driver. Right-click the Start icon and select Device Manager. Double-click the disk drives category to expand it. Right-click your USB driver and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers in the pop-up window. Then Device Manager will update your driver to the latest version. Once the process ends, exit Device Manager. Now you should restart your PC to see if the error is solved. Solution 3. Change the security options for the USB drive. Press Windows and E to open File Explorer. Click this PC in the left pane. Right-click your USB drive and select Properties. Go to the Security tab and click the Advanced button. Click Change and then click Advanced in the prompted window. Click Find Now in the next window. Double-click your user's name under the Search Results section. Click OK to confirm the changes. Tick the checkbox next to the on-screen option. Click Apply and OK. Solution 4. Check file system errors. Launch Mini-Tool Partition Wizard. Right-click the partition on your USB drive and select Check File System. Select Check and Fix Detected Errors. Click Start to begin the checking process. Wait patiently until the process is completed. Close Mini-Tool Partition Wizard. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.